bienvenidos to my channel. Yo me llamo Kelly and this is Adventures in Spanish. And in today's video, you're going to learn how to ask somebody if they're ready in español. ¿Listo? Vamos. Okay, so you might have heard me say it at the beginning of this video, at the introduction, and I said, listo. Bit of a clue there. So, if you want to be able to ask somebody, are you ready in Espanol? There are a few ways you can do it. First of all is the easy way that I used at the beginning of the video, and I just said, listo. Listo just literally means ready, and it ends in o. When it ends in o, it means your default, of course, in Spanish is always masculine. Let's just say that. So if I'm talking to a group of people, or a person, rather, if I'm talking to a person on this video, and I don't know the person that's watching it, whether they're masculine, whether they're male or female, or non-binary, or whatever, I can just simply say, listo. Yeah, ready, listo. However, if I know that the person that I'm talking to needs to be addressed as a female, it's lista. Lista. And I kind of like to add the bit before it as well, okay? So, to be. There are two to be's in Espanol, as everybody knows. Ser and estar. And if I want to ask you, are you ready? Are you? Maybe I'm going to speak to you informally. I'm going to address you informally. I'm going to say estás. Yeah, estás. I'm addressing, I don't know, my daughter. Yeah, tiene 13 años, 13. And I say, ¿estás lista? ¿Estás lista? ¿Estás lista? Bien. If I'm addressing my brother, yeah, mi hermano, I would say, ¿estás listo? ¿Estás listo? Are you ready? My brother identifies as a male, so it's a male gendered pronoun, yeah? Es él, está, estás. ¿Estás listo? Bien. What about if I'm talking to a group, if I'm addressing a group of people? I would say, ¿están listos? ¿Están listos? If it's a mixed, if it's a group of mixed males and male and female, ¿están listos? And if it's a group of all females, ¿están listas? ¿Están listas? And you can use the shortened version for that as well. So you can say listos or listas. Bien. Okay, so we have a few ways here to say it. So, listo, lista. ¿Estás listo? ¿Estás lista? ¿Están listos or listos? And ¿están listas or listas? Lots of things to do there. My advice when you're a beginner is to always use the full sentence. So, ¿estás listo or ¿estás lista is the way to go as a beginner. Then as you build up your confidence, you can start to drop some of the words, okay? And you'll just become more confident and you'll be like, hey, listos, are we ready, kind of thing. Dale. Perfecto. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed the video and you now know how to ask people if they're ready in Espanol. Have a go, practice away and let me know how you get on. Hasta la próxima. Adiós.